Hello students, now you are learning fourth unit, that is coastal regions and islands of India. Now you are going to learn remaining part, that is islands. Here an island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. There are two big island groups in India. They are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshmi Islands in the Arabian Sea. Here see about islands. What is island? Island means what? An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. So that is island. For example, you can see in this picture. So this is what? This is a island. Here surrounding, what you are seeing, this is surrounding of all water, and in the middle you can see there is a land. So this is what? Island, isn't it? And they are, and also you can see here two big island groups in India. There are two big island groups, isn't it? They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You see here, there is in the picture of this Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are the what? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And in the Bay of Bengal, you can see. And Lakshmi Islands in the Arabian Sea. So this is Lakshmi. This is the Lakshmi Islands. They are Lakshmi Islands. These are what you are seeing. Islands. You can see one more pictures. You can see here. Can easily understand that what are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You can see Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is the Bay of Bengal, you can see. And in Arabian Sea there is Lakshadweep Islands are there. No, this is Lakshadweep Islands and this is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Like this, there are two groups are there about islands, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Okay. Now we learn that next, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a group of 572 islands which can be divided into two main island groups, the Andaman Islands to the north and the Nicobar Islands to the south. These islands are one of the Union territories of India. You can see here, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a group of total 572 islands. You can see here Andaman and Nicobar. Here the total 572 islands you can see, and also divided into main island groups. It is divided to main island groups. That is the Andaman Islands. This is the Andaman Islands. This is north, and Nicobar Islands to the south. It looks how it is towards the southern part. This Andaman looks northern part islands. This is southern part islands. So like this, there are 572 islands you can see, and these islands are one of the Union territories of India. So these islands are Union territories of India. So these two belongs to our country. These what you are seeing. This is Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar. So these all are what islands are belongs to our country, Union territories, isn't it? Then next, Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep consists of 36 islands covering an area of 32 square kilometers. They are flat and sandy. These islands are known as coral islands. Here, see, because they are formed from coral deposits, isn't it? Here, Lakshadweep, it is consist 36 islands and covering this area of 32 square kilometers. You can see here the Lakshadweep. Sorry. Here the Lakshadweep Islands is what? There are 36 islands in that Lakshadweep we can 36 islands we can see covering and its area of 32 square kilometer. These islands looks how very flat and sandy. These islands are known as coral islands. Here in that Lakshadweep we can see coral islands. For example, you can see here coral islands. This is what coral islands. See, this is what coral islands. Here, coral islands means it is a hard stone skeletons. You can see here. The corals are skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps. Their skeletons are left. Other polyps grow on top of the hard skeleton, which grows higher and higher, thus forming the coral islands. These are the what? Coral islands. What you are seeing? This is what? Coral islands, isn't it? So because they are formed coral deposits you can see, isn't it? That is hard stony skeleton, that is coral. Here in this island, coconut is the main crop of this region and fishing is the main industry. Here coconut, most of the people here they growing what? The coconut. Coconut is the main crop of this region, and also fishing, because they are the surrounding of everywhere water you can see, so they also the fishing more in that island. That is main industry. Fishing is a main industry. Only 11 of these 36 islands are inhabited. See here, total 36 islands, but only 11 islands are inhabited. Inhabited means the people can live in that, they can settle down. Only 11 of these 36 islands are inhabited. The people of these islands speak Jesri and Mahal language, isn't it? Here the people can speak the language Jesri and Mahal, and out of 36, 11 islands are inhabitant, isn't it? Here, so that is coral deposits means here the substance is deposited at the bottom of the sea, formed from the bones of very small creatures. That is what? Coral polyps. Already I showed that pictures about coral islands, isn't it? So like this is about Lakshadweep. Here I forget two lines, sorry for that. I forget two lines to explain here. Some islands in about an Andaman and Nicobar islands. Some islands in the group are of volcanic origin. They are covered with the thick forests, and only some islands are inhabited. Here about Andaman and Nicobar islands, you can see here. Also that there is volcanic origin, means there is a molten lava burst out. For example, you can see in this picture. See in this picture here. So this is what? This is a magma builds up here under enormous pressure, a huge pressure of that the volcanoes will create it like this. This is a burst out. After that it is a huge cloud of steam, volcanic ash and gas. After that lava bombs. That volcanic cone is composed of layers ash and lava. That is, this is a molten rocks flowing down the side is called lava. So this is a what? Volcanic mountain. After that volcanic mountains will create it like this, isn't it? This is a, so all this happen in that where in islands, that Andaman and Nicobar and that island, some volcanic origin also happen in that. So they are covered with the thick forests, and only some islands are inhabited. And also you can see there thick forests, and also some people are living in that. Inhabited means living, the people can live in that islands. So this is about Andaman and Nicobar islands. Next, life in the coastal plains and islands. Most of the inhabitants are tribals. People from different parts of the country have settled here. Main occupations on these islands are fishing and farming. Rice, maize, coconut, pineapple, and papaya are the main crops grown here. The thick forests on the islands provide teak and rubber. Is about life in the coastal plains and islands. Here, most of the inhabitants are tribal. Inhabitants means here a person live particular place. That is a inhabitant. They are living there. Or tribal. This is a relative of that uh, relative of the community like this. So they live down. They settle down there. So the people from different parts of the country have settled here, and again different part of the country, some people living in that island. The main occupations on these islands are fishing and farming. So most of that people, they have their own occupation of that island. There are some people fishing and farming. The fishing, only fishing the fishes, and after that they export remaining part of that country like this. That is their occupation. And farming, and also there is some people working in that fields, and also they growing some crops like such rice, maize, coconut, pineapple, and papaya are the main crops grown here. So like this the people, so like this they some crops and growing, and some fruits also growing. Like this the people growing, they have their own occupation and they settle down. Then the thick forests on the islands provide teak and rubber, and also you can see there is a thick forest. You can see in that thick forest you can get teak and rubber trees. It is the both are very valuable trees. Teak, it is a kind of tree. Tree wood will get. So this teak wood, it is very durable. So, and also it is valuable wood. The most of the people they can use this teak wood because of it is a durable wood. So they can use for huge building constructions, isn't it? And rubber, nowadays you can know, you know that very well about we are using rubber in many fields, motor cars, vehicles. For that rubber, so it is very useful. So like this that island will get some people different parts of the country. People they are settled down there, and they are living their own style. So this is about life in the coastal plains and islands. Remaining part I shall continue next video. Thank you.